Upgrading Assetto Corsa with Content Manager and Custom Shaders patch completely transforms your visual graphics, server access, and modding capabilities. Start by downloading Content Manager. Open your web browser, navigate to acstuff.ru, and click on Content Manager. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Download Directly to save the zip file. Once the download finishes, open the zip archive and extract the Content Manager executable file to your desktop or any preferred folder on your PC. Launch Content Manager. The launcher usually auto-detects your Assetto Corsa folder, but if it prompts you, select your Steam installation path manually. To install Custom Shaders Patch, look toward the top right of the Content Manager interface and select Settings. Next, switch to the Custom Shaders Patch tab in the top left menu. Click the Install button. Content Manager will automatically download and install the recommended CSP build to update your game lighting, dynamic physics, and weather effects. Subscribing helps out the channel and enjoy your upgraded sim racing experience.